What's up, everybody? We are on our way to Porsche Clifton Park to pick up our GT4. If you aren't up to date, we are putting it all back to stock because it was lightly modified. So it did have a really nice aftermarket exhaust, but now it's all back to stock, so it's not going to be as loud. There's a little bit of drone in there, but that's completely gone. So yeah, back to stock. We're doing this because majority of the people will want it to be stock. That being said, we are giving the exhaust to the winner, so if they choose to put the exhaust back on, they're more than welcome. And yeah, this is just a little update, so we're bringing you with us and we'll pick it up and see how it sounds. Alright, car's picked up. Or it's about to be, but let me show you the aftermarket exhaust. Here it is. We're gonna throw this in the car, but maybe I'll put like the stock exhaust on the screen, but this is a much less substantial exhaust. It's pretty much straight piped, and so now we have the regular exhaust on, so it should make a pretty big sound difference. See you at the museum. All right, cold start with the new stock exhaust. Don't always say new stock, but all right, here we go. Oh no. Now we can use the valve system because this button actually works. So let's see how that makes a difference. I mean, it's a Porsche. It's still pretty loud. But definitely nothing like it was before, unfortunately. But also kind of fortunately, because it had a lot of drone. So yeah, we'll see how it sounds on the highway and get it home. Alright, yeah, unfortunately it is much quieter. Coming up to a red light here, downshifting. It kind of sucks because honestly the drone didn't really go away all that much. It's kind of just a lot of engine noise, and then you don't get that loudness or that punch from the exhaust. So honestly, overall, I think I thought this was gonna happen, but definitely would rather have the aftermarket exhaust. I mean, it wasn't that obvious to me because there was a lot of drone with it, but this just kind of keeps that engine noise and drone without kind of a reward at the end, if that makes sense. All right, as we hopefully have showed you, it's back to stock. It honestly still sounds great because it's a Porsche, so you can't really go wrong stock, and that's what it is now. So enter to win. I think we just had our 50% off Black Friday deals. There will be another 50%, so stay tuned for that. You can get half as many tickets as you buy. Stay tuned for more Porsche GT4 content.